Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be showing you how I make Haitian pickled onions, formerly known as Pikliz. In this recipe, I used 3 purple onions that I sliced. First, I'll be adding fresh lemon juice. Three tablespoons of white distilled vinegar. This is essential when making pikliz. 1 tablespoon of Mrs. Dash. 2 tablespoons of salt. 1 tablespoon of cayenne pepper. Now it's time to mix up the ingredients. This is what the final product looks like. If you liked what you saw, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.